everyone. In this video, we will discuss the very important minerals for our body like vitamin, fibers, minerals and water. So let's start. Firstly, we will discuss about vitamins, and before describing about the vitamins, firstly I want to describe you all the balanced meals. So balance, what is the exact meaning of balanced meals? Balanced meal is a meal in which a proper diet that contains right amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fat, fibers, vitamins, minerals which is required in our body. So we should eat always balanced diet, and we have to fill our plate with the food which is rich in the nutrients. So we eat 3 big meals in a day. First one, we eat the breakfast. It is the first meal which we eat when we start our day. Next one is lunch. At the noon time we eat lunch, and at the night we eat dinner. And between these meals, means among these meals we eat few other things like snacks and all. So at that time we need to avoid snacks and junk foods, because what is junk food? The junk food is the food which is tasty and delicious in eating, but not good for our health. For the longer term, it damage our immune system. So we should avoid the junk food like chips, potato wafers, burger, patties and pizzas. Cold drinks are also considered as the part of junk food because they are considered as the soft drinks. They are also not good for our health, right? So we should eat one fruit in a day also, must, because it is very important to have at least one fruit every day. So among these foods, 3 big meals, we can eat one fruit, 1 or 2 fruits every day. So this is the balanced diet which I tell you. Now we will discuss the important factors which are required in the balanced meal. So first one is here, vitamins. So we need vitamins to keep our body fit, healthy and free from the diseases. Means it work like a lock. You see lock and key. Whenever you go out from the house, you lock the house with the key and lock. So your house becomes safe from the unwanted things, the unwanted peoples, the unwanted animals and the unwanted lot of things are there which are not wanted from you. So it just like a lock and key for your body. Okay, so आपकी बॉडी को जब भी कभी भी ज़रूरत होती है कि आप कोई भी अनवांटेड चीज़ आपकी बॉडी में एंटर ना करे लाइक डिजीजेस, सो vitamin plays essential roles in that. So vitamins are found in the fruits and vegetables, so we should eat plenty of fresh fruits and green vegetables. We can eat vegetables of different food groups. So vitamins plays very essential role in our life, so we should eat them properly on the daily basis. Next one are fibers. So in the whole grain like wheat, barley, gram, and the fruit and vegetable also carry fibers which help our body to digest food. Means if we don't consume fiber, that means our body will not be able to digest the food properly. Okay, so skin, अब ये कहाँ कहाँ होता है? Also the skin of the fruits, and if I talk about apple and pear, तो उनकी जो स्किन होती है उसमें भी फाइबर्स होते हैं, और स्प्राउट्स जो होते हैं उनमें भी फाइबर्स होते हैं, राइट? और जो छिलके वाली दाल होती है, यानी कि फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रीन वाली जो दाल होती है जिसमें छिलका होता है यानी पील्स होते हैं, वो उनकी जो स्किन होती है उसमें भी फाइबर्स होते हैं. तो हमें इन फ्रूट्स की स्किन जो है उन्हें हटाए बिना ही इनको खाना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट रिमूव द स्किन ऑफ द फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल एंड पियर्स. वी शुड ईट द पल्स लाइक मूंग, ग्रीन मूंग, विच कैरी प्लेंटी ऑफ फाइबर्स इन दैम, एंड इट इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर आवर body. Okay, so here are few examples of the dietary fiber like fruits which are like आंवला है, एप्पल है, avocado है, pear है, and oranges are here. Some nuts are also here. Okay, so nuts में भी ये होता है like almond and the whole grain food I told you the जैसे उसमें मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ ओट्स है, दलिया है और ग्रैम है, इन सब में कैरेट है और ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स है, इन सब में आपको फाइबर मिलेगा. So you should eat the different type of dietary fibers from the different source of fiber, right? Next is minerals. So calcium and iron are two important minerals needed by the body. Okay, so your bone are white and your teeth are white, so you need to take the things which are white in the colors. So the biggest source of calcium is milk. Okay, we get milk from the different animals like cow, buffalo and goat, and on the hilly areas people take the milk of yak also. So if you want to make your bones strong, your teeth strong, you need to take calcium on the daily basis. Next important fiber is iron. So iron makes our blood red. Okay, so it is rich in the protein, fat, sugar, vitamin A, vitamin B, calcium. So growing children should also drink milk every day. So two minerals I told you here, iron and second one is calcium. We get calcium from the milk and we get iron from the green vegetables, right? So this is very important and essential part of balanced diet. Next one is water. So without water there is no sense of balanced diet, because one should take 6 to 8 glass of water every day to digest the food which you take. Okay, and you should take plenty of water in a day and it is the part of the balanced diet. Okay, यहाँ आपकी बॉडी में जो भी टॉक्सिक थिंग्स होती हैं, टॉक्सिक मटेरियल्स होते हैं लिक्विड फॉर्म में या फिर सॉलिड फॉर्म में, वाटर क्या करता है, उनको बॉडी से बाहर निकालने का काम करता है. सो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक क्लियरली. I told you about the water, I told you about the balanced meal, I told you about minerals, fibers, the sources of fibers, vitamins, the sources of vitamins. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.